Hey guys, welcome to the review of the Puma PowerCat 1.12 SL. This is super light version. As you can see, I've worn these shoes for about a month right now, and they are fully broken. Let's see a comparison between the two feet shoes. You can see from this side, the right shoe and the left. See? My right foot is wider, so as you can see, the kangaroo leather has stretched very well while maintaining the shape of the shoe. So while being an SL model, it has done a great job in expanding and molding to my foot shape. Now let's take a closer look. This shoe has a synthetic here, and unlike the regular version, this is just a print here. It's not stitched, so it's even lighter. These are 238 grams approximately, this shoe. Not that light compared to the very light F50s and Mercurials, which are about 60 or 80 grams at least lighter than these, but they are a kangaroo leather shoe, and being 238 grams, they can be forgiven easily. So let's take a look here. The instep is very thin. Maybe the instep is familiar to you, not because you have seen other Puma releases, but because the instep features a very thin leather, as seen on the Mercurial Vapor 9s. The instep has very thin material that just hugs your foot. Of course, the Mercurials are synthetics, and these are actual kangaroo leather. Very good. While we're comparing the F50s and Vapors and this shoe, so which one has a softer leather? We talked about the weight. Which one is softer in terms of leather? Well, this is the real leather. I think the F50 and Vapors actually have softer leathers at the start. When you get this shoe, the leather is very stiff. You have to apply leather food, or like me, unwillingly play in snow and get your shoes broken in right away. Playing in the snow isn't that fun, but your leather shoes, if cared well, will thank you, and you will be thankful that your shoe is broken in after you've worn. So breaking in, this shoe is actually a hard shoe to break in, but once you do, it's good. It's really good, but not very soft at first. Also, if you need some breaking in done in this part, the instep that features the 3D shot shields, you will not get as much stretching as you would like, because this shoe is designed not to let you stretch this section, this whole part. You'll get more stretching in the beginning of the instep here, the thin material, than you would get in the toe box, in the inside of the toe box. So if you want your shoe to stretch in there more than anything, this shoe will not let you do that unless you use a professional tool, a cobbler tool, or have it done for you. it's very hard to have it broken in from the inside. But from this part, oh, this shoe is very forgiving and just expands. So that's that. For wide feet, of course, this shoe is better than the F50s and Mercurials because of the wider outsole, wider last. It features 6 studs as opposed to the Mercurials having 2 and the normal Adidas standard being 4. While 6 studs might seem a bit too much, they make the shoe distribute your foot pressure evenly, so that's actually a plus. But personally, I wish now that they have made a solid shoe, a solid kangaroo leather shoe, which is also modern. It has technology here. It doesn't stretch too much. It stretches just the right amount. It's worn by many top players, Fabregas, Royce, Gianluigi Buffon, and many others. Well, they made a very good shoe. Maybe they could have made the outsole a bit wider, because personally, me having a wide foot, the only issue I had with this shoe, the upper was great, the only issue I had was the outsole being just a tiny bit narrower than what I would have preferred. But still, for most people, this is a great shoe. Very comfortable. More comfortable even than the F50 leathers and Copa Mundials, so that says a lot. Some people have said that the durability on this shoe is bad, and this version of course, but the studs are very solid in my own experience, because when I played on artificial grass, this was just good. They worked great and the pressure was distributed evenly, and I don't think they're gonna break anytime soon, but I hope I will not jinx it. The laces, not much unique. You could say that they're too long, just a bit hard to tie up sometimes. And the shoe height for a leather shoe, the toe box height is very low, so if your big toe is bigger than usual, again like me, you would also require a few more training sessions for it to be fully ready and broken in height wise as well. So yeah, that's that. Let's get inside, take a look at the insole. PowerCat 1.12 SL over here, and it's just shaped this way, as you can see. This line is here, and it's not a typical super light insole, because they wanted to have the technology and not take too much away from the original version. So it's just the regular Puma insole, which is of course different than the regular Adidas and Nike ones, because they don't have this part that defines the insole in the other brands usually. When I wore this shoe, I experienced that my foot doesn't slip from the back. It's very good material at the back, and your foot doesn't slip from the heels. It's solid. the back as well. But sometimes if you don't lace them up well, your foot will shift around. Overall, a great shoe if you want a mixture of kangaroo leather and technology. I think this would be one of your only choices, because not many companies, not many shoe brands or soccer shoe brands are brave enough to do this, release something like this. So yeah, that was it. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave comments on this video, like and subscribe for more videos.